Learn verb variations and their Igbo meanings, part 2. Last time we learned about verb variations, part 1. This is part 2 of it. This is our parent verb. We underlined it. Banye, parent verb. Banye means enter. We are going to be putting either prefix or suffixes to this banye, parent verb, to make this banye vary to another meaning. For example, banye means enter. Number B, ibanye, to enter. You can see that we add I as our prefix to this banye. We add it before banye to change it, ibanye, to enter. We have seen it that this I have made this banye vary from banye to ibanye. Number 3, banyere, meaning entered. Banyere is past tense of banye. You can see our suffixes here, re and the a. This is our suffixes. We add it at the end of banye, this verb, to make it to change from this banye to banyere, entered. Number D, banyecha sia, enter completely. You can say banyecha, meaning enter completely, or you can say banyecha sia, meaning enter completely also. You can see that we add suffixes, these words, cha and the sia, the one in brackets. We add them so that this parent verb will vary from banye to banyecha sia, meaning to form another verb. Number A, bamie, enter deeply. You can see that this parent verb we underline, banye, we cut it, we remove nye and put mie. Add this prefix mie. We use it to change nye to make the verb vary from the initial meaning to another meaning. Number 3, na abanye is entering. You can see that we have our prefix, mgbakwunye nganihu bụ prefix. We call prefix in Igbo mgbakwunye nganihu. We attach it before the verb. The prefix will be attached before the verb. We call it mgbakwunye nganihu. Na abanye is entering. You can see that na a is our prefix to this banye, making it to be na abanye. Another verb is entering. When you hear na a or na a, you will know that it is a present continuous tense, something that the person is doing at that particular time. We call it present continuous tense. Number G, this one is future tense. Ga abanye, we enter. When you hear ga a or ga a, you know that it is future tense, something that will happen in future, maybe tomorrow or in the evening or in the afternoon, depending. So it is not happening at that time. When you hear ga, it is a future tense. So we put ga a here to this banye to make it to be the prefix to banye, to change the meaning from banye to ga a banye. We enter. Have you seen it? Number he, that is number H. We call H he in Igbo. Ga banye, meaning go enter. When you hear ga, ga, it is different from ga. This one is ga. It has only one a, but when you hear ga, ga, the one that has double a, it is a command. Ga banye, go enter. So we use this ga to give instruction or to give command, so as a verb. So this ga is our prefix before banye. So ga banye, we use it to change, we use this ga to change this banye. So like and share our videos. We love to explain our lesson so that we understand it better. Bye.